Thermosash specialise in manufacture and installation of commercial facade systems. We have some hugely expensive machinery. Preventative maintenance is crucial to keeping the equipment running.
Any minute we have downtime, we won't have those targets that we need to feed the line, to feed the sites, to install the windows.
We've got thousands of assets across the group. It's going to cost us a lot if we can't complete a job on time, so we need to keep them well maintained. Now using the SC platform, we've fitted vibration sensors on some of those machines so that we can get an early indicator if there's something going wrong.
And we've got an example of when the CNC broke, what that looked like. We can set up some warnings and some red flags if there's anything that needs to be addressed.
Our maintenance guy now can go onto the SC platform and he can see when a machine is due service.
So being able to get on top of that before it actually breaks, preempting the maintenance that's coming up. We want to proactively measure the environment, noise sensors, air quality sensors, we've got door sensors, temperature and humidity sensors. We're looking after the health and safety of our team.
We can actually put a cost against how much time is spent trying to fix any of those. So it makes it very real for the managers. They can see that, okay, there is a problem, they need to focus on it to make sure that we prevent it from happening again. The alternative to having this is having redundant machines sitting there just in case. So we can save a lot by really staying on top of that preventative maintenance.